Hi everyone! Welcome to Camaya Coast. It's a bright sunny day and we're here again for the latest community update. It's March 2024. There's so many things going on, but first, let me refresh you on what you might be missing at Camaya. Wow, that's a lot to appease your palate, but get ready for more. The Army Navy is at the B Mall, and right beside it, the world-famous Tully's Coffee. But if that's not enough caffeine for you, get ready for UCC at Camaya Sands Hotel when we reopen. Right beside UCC, a hop, skip, or a train ride away is Hapchan, Shakey's, and Wendy's. On a bright sunny day like today, we know you'd love to be as close to the beach and the ocean as much as you can. Therefore, to provide that convenience, we've redeveloped the Wood Pavilion. After we've showed you all the food options at Station 1, get ready for more at Station 2, and right now, the Grub Hub is open at Station 3 and more to come. Dining by the beach is always fun, but it's not going to be as much fun unless you enjoy yourselves with all these activities that are available at Camaya Coast. A day trip is always fun at Camaya, but if you want to stay overnight, we've got Aqua Fun, we've got Camaya Sands opening soon, and in the very near future, we're gonna come up with Eco Hotels, a perfect hotel that will suit your need. To cater to all type of guests, we are also going to develop the exclusive Cove Resort. We are also developing hotel residences and value-for-money accommodations at the B Hotel, right where the action is, beside Wendy's and Shakey's. Aside from the hotels at Station 1, we will start building more at Station 2, learning from what we have here, and soon at Station 3, a businessman's hotel to cater to our future locators and residents. After bringing you to Station 1, 2, and 3, let me take you to our island expansion in Boracay. After island hopping in the beautiful islands and beaches of our country, let's go on board and visit Japan and see the snow-capped mountains at Apikogen, Camaya Snow. Hi everyone, we are here at Camaya Snow, Japan. We are excited that works have started and we hope to open very soon. It's very good news for all our property owners that you can come, Visit, enjoy everything here at Camaya Snow, Japan. I'm sure you'd love to celebrate memorable occasions here at Camaya. To cater to that, we are developing the Event Center. And the Event Center is right beside the B Mall. And here we are, right in front of the B Mall, where it's nice and sunny. But you should also see this at night. Right now, let's step inside where it's cool and cozy. Here we are at the lobby of the B Mall with Tully's, Army Navy, our 2-bedroom and studio model units, and right across our favorite hangout place, the convenience store. And on the second floor, we're gonna have Mandara Spa and Camaya Retail selling merchandise and souvenirs. And more to come at the third floor. Aside from all those fun activities, golf is always fun here. Let me take you to the course. We are here at the first 9 holes of the Tandatangan Golf Course. Pretty soon, we'll be finishing up the 18, the years to come. But we all know that it's fun golf in Station 1, so we're developing Station 2 QGR to be completed by 2028. Very near the golf course is GTC, or Golf Town Commercial. Golf Town Commercial is a commercial development sold to individual buyers so that they can develop and do new exciting things for us to enjoy. Located at GTC are the golf villas, and at the lobby is the new golf lounge. Aside from golf villas, we're developing Aquafun Village, Oceans and Greens. A lot of new vertical condominium developments are coming up at Camaya very soon. Aside from the vertical developments, we all know your favorites here are the residential properties. We're gonna do a flyby and show you what we're developing at Station 1. After all of this development is finished in Station 1, aside from the existing developments in Station 2, we'll all join forces and finish Station 2 no later than 2028. And we hop on to Station 3, where the development is sure to go. After hopping off from Station 1, 2, and 3, the good news is there are new roads coming up, the bypass road from Station 2 and 3, and by luck, the bridge connecting Bataan to Cavite is going to happen very soon. Like we said, we don't just depend on luck, we develop our opportunities. Right behind me are our ferries. These ferries will not only dock at Camaya Station 1, it will soon dock at Station 2, Orion, and Mariveles. And of course, docking at these facilities, if you integrate shuttle buses, we can bring you close to your home. The romance of the sea is timeless, so therefore we're developing Camaya Fish to interconnect all our interesting islands in the country. And we understand that land and sea might be convenient, but it will be better off if you have sea, land, and air. We are looking forward to Camaya Air to later on bring you commercial flights all over the Philippines and all over Southeast Asia. We have taken one step forward with Camaya Air by providing now our fractional ownership and charter services of our very first plane. Soon, the E190's commercial flights to Southeast Asia will be a reality. We are in talks with airplane manufacturers, airport operators. We want to learn more. In order to learn more, we've visited also air shows in Singapore and Dubai. And to ensure that Camaya Air destinations are fun, we visited all these places. We are continuously developing our transport system, sea, land, and air. We understand that with all these conveniences, we will develop our community much further than we have ever imagined.
With the community continuing to grow and our capability to anticipate their needs, we believe that the demand, desire, and values of property at Camaya will continuously grow.
We are again thankful for you in joining us in the latest Camaya Community Update. We will continue to develop. Our imagination will never end. We want to grow the community with you. There will be a lot of changes, but the good things will never change. The sun, the sand, and the sunsets at Camaya will always bring you smiles. Until our next community update, we look forward to seeing you again soon.